Guys, I travel a lot, and in 2023 it's projected that I'm going to be traveling at least once every single month. But over the time of travels, etc., I have come up with a list of items that I literally don't travel without. They make traveling so much easier, and everything can be from Amazon, which that just makes it a little bit better. So if you love all things travel, Amazon favorites, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you love packing videos, pack with me videos, I do a ton of those over on Instagram and TikTok as well. Like always, everything that I share in today's video will be linked down below in the description box. All you have to do is tap the title of this video. You'll see the little more sign right underneath, and it'll bring everything up, as well as my Amazon storefront where you can shop everything there as well, so you can choose which you prefer. So excited. If you are having any fun travel plans coming up, let me know down in the comment section. I just went on a cruise, and in a few weeks we're going on a 10-day trip down to Florida. So let me know where you are headed to next, and let's go ahead and get started. If you have not tried packing cubes, you're seriously missing out. I drug my feet on them for the longest time because I thought it was just like an extra step that you didn't need. Well, one of my favorite things about them is the fact that when you go to open your suitcase up after you've traveled, it has everything in its place neatly, because before everything would just be like all moved around and scattered in my suitcase, which always just makes for a mess. So this is a set of 8. It has basically everything that you would need. Makeup, a little trash bag, if you will, so if you can put dirty clothes in there, bigger ones like this, but they all have mesh, so it's breathable. Clothes don't get stinky. There's also one for shoes, and I also have a separate one from Amazon that I specifically love for shoes as well, which I will have that linked below as well. Comes in every single color option. These are great because they have handles, and the total weight of this is under a pound, so it's really not going to add much to your weight at all, which is another huge bonus. Like I said, comes in a pack of 8 and literally will complete your suitcase and help everything stay very organized, and it comes in all color options. With over 10,000 nearly 5-star reviews, I don't go anywhere without this phone charger. So what I love about this one, it makes this one different, is the fact that you literally can plug it into a wall, so you don't have to worry about carrying extra cords along, which when you're traveling, that is everything. So you can just stick this into the wall, and then it has 2 cables on the side. You can use this on iPhone or Android, and you can charge on either side. And then also it has a little button here where you can see if it's fully charged, if it's almost dead, etc. So it helps keep you on track of that as well. But I find that this lasts a good while. So if I just plug it in every night and I need to use it multiple times throughout the day, I am totally fine to do that as well. It also does have ports on the bottom that you can choose to charge that way as well. Literally don't go anywhere without this. And typically I will carry this belt bag along with me. Lululemon belt bags are like all the talk. They're constantly sold out though. So naturally I went to Amazon and I found this really good look for less option. Now I do also have like the plain non-Sherpa version as well, but since it is winter time, I did opt for this one. I love this. You can open it like this. You can adjust the straps. The quality is amazing. It has a hidden pocket, so you can wear it like this and keep change, etc. in the back. I like to actually keep this little charger in here. It has little compartments, and you'd be surprised how much you can fit in here. Cards, sunglasses, a lip gloss, etc. Beats. This is another item I literally don't travel without, and I find that these are so much more comfortable than the Apple AirPods. These are actually the Beats, and the earbuds on this, it's waterproof, but they're so comfortable. So they actually come with different sizes, so you can select the one that is most comfortable in your ear, which is just fantastic. But the sound quality is amazing on these, so it's just the combination. I know a lot of people go with like the aesthetic duffel bags, maybe a designer bag or whatever is their carry-on when they travel. Me, I just like to be practical. I always carry a backpack with me, and I've tried multiple out from Amazon, and this one is my favorite. It comes in multiple colors, but what I love about it is obviously all the features of it, the compartments, but this also has a USB charging port on the side, which is amazing. But it has every compartment that you possibly could think of. It even has like a protective backing here that you can stick your laptop in. Comes in multiple sizes. It's a small, large, and extra large. This is the large. This is technically the medium size, and this has plenty of room in there. I just love the fact that it secures on your back. It's easy to walk with, and it's so functional. Everything in here, literally, like I said, has a spot for everything. Adjustable straps, even more of a cushion back, so it's comfortable against your back, and extra hidden pockets as well. Also has an expandable side, so you can stick whatever water bottle in there. This is an Amazon hidden gem. Won't travel without it. I have tried out multiple pill organizers, which I think are so important to take with you when you travel, simply because it helps you keep on your health game, etc. And it's easy to forget like medications, prescription medications when you're traveling. So bringing this along always helps to keep me more on track of things. So this one is awesome. First of all, it comes in multiple color options. It's really sleek and aesthetic if you're into that. But on the side here, it actually has all the days on there. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to keep you on track that way. And then you can stick all of your pills in that specific day. So what I like to do, it has this little slide on the side. So say I've already used Monday, now I'm on to Tuesday, you literally can just keep it to that tick and then you can dump your pills in your hand for that day, your vitamins, etc. So this is a must have, my favorite pill organizer that I have tried. This has over 96,000, almost 5-star reviews. This is a 3-in-1 charging pad. So at the same time, you can charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods. So this is super handy because of how compact it is. So this can literally stick wherever in your bag, in your suitcase, and it's very lightweight, easy to use, and it can literally charge all 3 at one time. And it does come with a little cord and a charging port if you need to charge this actual base as well, but super handy and saves so much space. Ladies, this is another favorite that I recently discovered. So this is actually kind of like a purse phone case is what I call it. So first of all, it has designer looks for less. Love the kind of inspired look that this has, but then on the back, it's kind of like a wallet. So you can even put like a small chapstick in this if you want, but you can put your key cards, your credit card in there, etc. Things that you absolutely need to have with you, but you don't want to carry like an actual purse. They do have all different sizes depending on what your phone size is. And then it does come with an adjustable strap that you can remove as well. So if you just want to keep this case on, but you don't want the strap on, you can remove the strap. It is adjustable, so you can just put this over your shoulder, crossbody, and you always have your phone on you. Because I know ladies, oftentimes we don't have pockets big enough that can hold our phone. So this is awesome when you're traveling, going out and about, and you don't want to carry a purse or a belt bag. Must have. Another favorite I love to travel with is this JBL speaker. The sound quality on this is simply fantastic for the size. I love it because it's easy to just clasp onto your carry-on bag, whatever, if you're going to the pool, like we just went on a cruise. So having this along with you on your bag was always handy. It does have the play button, volume up and volume down on the front here, but you also can Bluetooth connect it to whatever device and control it from that way as well. It comes in all color options. I love this pink. As you can see, it's about the size of my hand. So it's small, but very, very mighty. Do not be deterred from the size of this speaker. JBL is one of my favorites when it comes to sound. I have not tried their earbuds because I love my Beats earbuds so much. So I do need to try out the JBL earbuds. If you've tried them, let me know down below. Another travel item I feel like I have tried so many of are makeup bags. So this is a newer one I discovered and I really, really like it for multiple reasons. First of all, look how cute it is. Second of all, it has 2 separate compartments. So this is the top one. It has lots of little like pockets on the sides and stuff that you can stick things in, but it's very nice and spacious. I also love that it's not hard shell. So it'll fit wherever, how much you put in there, as little as you want, it'll fit easily in your bag. When you zip the bottom open, it actually has a I would say maybe 2-inch spot here that you can stick more like your palettes. I like to put eyeshadow palettes, cheek bronzer palettes under here, and then I'll put all of my brushes up here as well as lip products because you can stick like a lip liner, a lip gloss, your eyeliner if you use eyeliner, mascaras go really well in here, and it also has that little protective layer there too so it doesn't get your makeup products throughout the makeup bag. So love this one, can't recommend it enough, and it's really affordable. And then another little item that I really like is this. So they call it a cotton swab holder, but this is also great to put like hair ties, bobby pins in. I just have the cotton swabs in there right now because I like to, when I put mascara on, my lashes are really long, so I will usually wipe the mascara off of my skin. But like I said, also really great to put bobby pins, hair ties, little hair barrettes, etc. in here. And then I usually will just stick that in my makeup case on the bottom. Moving on to this travel mirror, y'all, this is the best. Even if you don't travel a lot, again, you can keep this in your everyday work bag. But I've tried out multiple travel mirrors and I always go back to this one. First of all, it's easy to use. It does not magnetize, so it doesn't distort your face, which I just don't like that. I like to be an actual mirror. So if you're traveling, there's a lot of you traveling together and you need more space, you can do your makeup on your bed, get ready that way. Or if the lighting's really bad in your hotel, this is amazing because it's an easy on button and then has 3 different light settings that you can choose from. More clear, more yellow, and then brighter, which is great. It's an easy on and off. You can charge this with a charger or you just simply charge this, but I honestly don't charge it that often. I feel like the actual battery life on it is really, really great. And then it just has an easy on and off button in the back, but it's nice, slim and compact. So it's easy to just slide in things. Even would go in your backpack as well if you're trying to save a little bit of the weight from your suitcase. And I always bring this with me. I discovered this probably about 3 or 4 months ago. And even when I go away on the weekend, I bring this along with me. If you're not into the little travel case, but you want to have a little spot to put your makeup brushes in, maybe your liners, lip glosses, you could even just stick this in your purse when you travel on the day-to-day, is this little silicone container. You stick your makeup brushes in there, and then it's really easy to clean. It keeps everything compact and together, and it is squishy. So it will fit wherever you want it to fit. Like I said, this is even perfect to put in your daily everyday bag you take to work, school, etc. It helps protect them and keeps everything in one spot. I have recommended this for years. Samsonite is such a reputable travel brand. I love their hard shell. It also does have a TSA lock on it, so nobody can get in your suitcase except for you. It is a hard shell, so it's super easy to clean. It also has that 360 wheel rotation, which makes it super easy to maneuver around in the airport, especially if you're running late and you just need to get there super quickly. And I do have the largest size in this, and it will always fit everything that I need and keep me just under 50 pounds. And if you struggle with staying within the weight limit, if you have not gotten a suitcase luggage weight, literally we travel with this. We always use this when we're packing, and then we take it with us when we're traveling, because when you come home, oftentimes you'll get like a souvenir or a t-shirt, or even if you don't, for some reason, I feel like whenever I come back, my luggage is always more, which I don't know how that makes any sense, but it does for some reason. So we always make sure to carry the luggage scale with us wherever we go. If you are someone who loves to read, I was on the fence about getting a Kindle for so long, and I finally got it about a year ago. Guys, I am obsessed. It is so easy to travel with. The battery life is amazing on these. Like, I can read and read and read a ton, especially if it's more of like a relaxing beach vacation, and I feel like the battery just lasts forever. It has different light settings, so if you're out by the pool, it will adjust. If you're reading in bed, it'll adjust so that it doesn't keep you awake super late. I do have the Kindle Oasis, which is my favorite because it does have the buttons on the side, so you can turn the page, you can go back just simply on the side of this. It has a little crook in the back, so it makes it really easy to hold, and it's very responsive. I cannot recommend a Kindle enough. I read it in the airport, I read it when we're in the air, I read it on vacation. It's my favorite. This is a daily probiotic that I take every day, but I especially always try to take this when I travel. It's really good for gut health, just help keep everything regulated when you're traveling. And this one I have found is my favorite for the price, the quality of it, and they also have this in a men's version as well. So my husband travels with the men's too. I never travel without my electrolyte supreme. Now, I love Liquid IV as well, which if you've tried Liquid IV, it's a great option as well. But these I love because number one, they're extremely clean. When you travel, it can be stressful. You're dehydrated. So these are great at keeping you hydrated, but also has all of the minerals that you need, like copper, magnesium, that when you're stressed, you're more stressed, your body will deplete those. So these help to replenish them. And like I said, I've searched and searched. I even take this every single morning when I'm not traveling because of those really healthy minerals. Obviously, you can always check with your doctor before you use these, but I get these on Amazon, and I always notice a difference in the day if I have taken these or not. So they're my go-to. I don't go without these, and I drink them pretty much every morning with my cup of coffee or right before my cup of coffee to hydrate myself and ready for the day. Another favorite that I recently purchased, we actually got this off of a site called eBags, which is more of a discounted online store. This is the white one. Now, if you get intimidated by the white suitcase, they do have other color options, but what you're getting with this suitcase for the price is actually amazing. So I just wanted to share that as a little backup option. And they do have little suitcase cases that you can stick it in now too, if you want to have light luggage like that, but you're scared of it getting messy. So I'll have all of that linked below. All right, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel favorites, Amazon finds, make sure to give this a thumbs up. Just lets me know you want to see more. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, because we talk a lot of Amazon here, which is always a good time. So I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.